The Executive Director, UNICEF, regional and country representatives, distinguished participants. On behalf of the Republic of Zambia, we are pleased to make a statement on the efforts our government is taking to promote and uphold the well-being of children. Zambia has become one of the world's pathfinding countries because we believe in the rights of children. Being a pathfinding country means we are committed to providing a child-friendly environment that allows children to survive. And not only to survive, but to thrive and realize their full potential. We believe in ensuring that children are protected from negative influences that have a potential to hinder their growth, and we believe in taking strong action to prevent violence against children. Zambia has developed the National Prevention and Response Plan to end violence against children by 2025. This plan is based on the fact that violence against children is preventable if the underlying causes are identified and addressed early on. Our vision is to foster a society where children can grow and live free from all forms of violence. For those who have experienced violence, government and our partners must ensure that affected children have access to care and indeed support services. This plan is being implemented by the National Coordination Committee for the Children, NCCC, and the District Community Child Protection Committees. Alongside proactive policies such as universal free education and social cash transfers for the poorer families, we are rebuilding our economy to provide a brighter future for all our children. This government hosted our maiden national dialogue on ending violence against children in November 2021, just months after we assumed public office. The main outcome of this dialogue was government affirming our commitment to ending all forms of violence against children. We have committed to putting in place appropriate administrative and legislative measures to enforce child protection laws. Further, we have committed to strengthen reporting and response mechanisms to end violence against children. This government has expedited the process of enacting the Children's Court Bill. This bill will bring together, for the first time in our statute, existing international and national legislation such as the United Nations Convention on the Rights of a Child, the African Charter on the Rights and Welfare of the Child, the Convention on the Protection of Children and Cooperation in Respect of Inter-Country Adoption, and the Convention on the Civil Aspects of International Child Abduction. Distinguished participants, action to end violence against children is not only for government agencies, but also requires collaborative efforts from stakeholders and cooperating partners. The government of the Republic of Zambia is committed to 1. Enhancing the development and implementation of child-friendly policies, legislation, and regulations which aim to safeguard the development and welfare of our children, all our children. 2. Ensuring that interventions aimed at addressing violence against children are undertaken in an efficient and effective manner. 3. Providing better, more timely assistance and care, including health and mental health support to address the long-term consequences of violence against children. 4. Enhancing effective collaboration with the key partners in preventing and responding to violence against children. 5. Creating an enabling environment to ensure that families experiencing domestic violence, and in particular violence against children, are able to access appropriate support services all the time. 6. Promoting teaching of children's rights in institutions of learning to increase awareness among children on their rights. 7. Sensitizing the general public on the rights of children at all levels and all times. And 8. promoting research on violence against children by encouraging the safe and ethical collection of data and evidence relating to acts of violence against children to inform national and international responses is necessary. Distinguished participants, we wish to conclude by reaffirming Zambia's commitment to implementing and enforcing the international and regional conventions that aim to promote and protect the rights of our children and to ensuring that our national policies and legislation take into account the provisions of these conventions. The government of the Republic of Zambia will protect our children, provide free universal quality education, and grow our economy for generations to come. I thank you for your kind attention.